What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel where we do product reviews, how-to videos, and the occasional car rally and car show, but all around the C8 Corvette platform. Today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install the new ACS Canards you can get for your C8 Corvette. It's one of the most aggressive canards on the market, and it's super easy to install. So we're going to show you how it's done step by step so you know exactly how to do it for yours. So with that being said, let's get started on it. So to start this install, here are some of the tools that you're going to need. This is a pretty easy and straightforward install and should take the average person about 20 to 40 minutes to do the install. And I'll have links in the description below for both the tools that I used as well as how to purchase these for your C8 if you haven't bought yours yet. So first thing we'll need to do is clean the area. Any kind of general automotive cleaner will do, and I like to use the Adams Surface Prep to finish the area. So first we'll need to remove a single T15 screw from behind the front bumper where the canard will be going. If you're not sure which one to remove, do a dry fit test and you'll see which one that should be. Most likely you'll need to steer your wheels out of the way in order to do that. Next we'll want to do a dry fit test so that we can visualize where we need to apply the adhesion promoter underneath. Mask the area to outline the adhesion promoter and then remove the canard. Once outlined, use the provided adhesion promoter on the area you'll be installing. The promoter does exactly what it says and rapidly accelerates the full cure time of the double-sided tape already installed on the canards. This is essential since these parts will be seeing a lot of force created by wind at speed, and you'll need to ensure it stays in place along with the hard secure points provided by the fastener and rivet that will be soon installed. You'll want to wait about 2-3 minutes for it to dry. While it's drying, you can remove the red backing on the two main double-sided pieces of tape, and keep in mind not to remove the backing from the third piece, as we'll be removing after we have done the final placement. Make sure to remove the masking tape so it's not potentially in the way. When installing, you'll want to make sure you align the first edge of the canard with the grill bezel and come in at an angle and then lay flat. With the adhesion promoter, once you place it, it'll be really challenging to reposition, so you want to make sure your edge aligns first before applying pressure to the area to secure it into place. After which, reinstall with the T15 bolt. You can then pull the red tab on the third tape area and press the tape into place. After which, you'll then want to install the rivet. This requires drilling a small 3/16 hole into the bumper using the already pre-drilled hole in the canard as a marker. This is important to ensure that the canard has a really secure hold and won't be going anywhere. Use the provided black rivet and rivet gun to then secure into place. From there, all you need to do is repeat the process on the other side. Again, the most important part will be on the final placement to make sure that you have the canard edge fitting snug with the grill bezel on your C8. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. So like I said before, a pretty easy install, not a lot of effort to go into doing it, and it takes less than an hour to actually do this install, even when you're taking your time. And it looks super aggressive and great on the Corvette. It really makes it stand out, and I really love it on my Corvette. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, like this one here, for your C8 or car needs.